So hey guys, how are you doing? Um, all right, so I'm just going to briefly go over this task manager lab. This is actually kind of a straightforward lab. Okay, so the deal here is that you want to right click on the toolbar, okay? And you can open task manager, right? And I'm just going to show you what happens here. You see all the processes running, right? You can see like CPU usage, memory, etc. Let me open Chrome up, and you'll see Chrome uses a lot of resources. So we'll pop this guy open. We're going to go back in, take a look at the task manager, and you can see Chrome right now is using 53% of the CPU, right? 100 whatever meg of memory. Now, if you ever run into a problem, you know how like sometimes you'll something will get stuck or jammed up, or you'll you can't, it won't respond. But sometimes you can get into Task Manager even if the application won't respond. So let's say that Chrome is not responding to my mouse clicks. Okay, let's say it's not responding. I can get in there. I can do this. I can right click on it. I could say end task, right? And it just see how it just kind of kills Chrome. That's a good way to it's a popular troubleshooting method to to avoid having to reboot. Okay, so so that's kind of the processes tab. If you go into performance, you can kind of see things like CPU usage. Now, if you have spikes in any of these things where they're pegged, I don't mean just briefly, but I mean if it's like pegged at 100%, on memory or on disk usage or even Ethernet, right? If any of these are pegged, then you know you have a bottleneck there, and you know you have something that you have to look at. Maybe you either need a better CPU, or maybe there's an application that's hogging resources. But it's something to investigate if this is constantly pegged, right? So if it's constantly, kind of all along the top there at 100%, you're going to want to look into why that's happening. This is an interesting one. Startup shows things that start automatically. So if you have, for example, for me, I have three things starting whenever the operating system starts. I have Microsoft OneDrive, I have VirtualBox, and Windows security notifications. Now I know I need this one, and I should probably have that one, okay? But I don't need OneDrive, okay? So what I could do is I could just disable it. And that way it won't start every time Windows starts. Now I can still I can still open it if I need to, but it's on demand, and it's when I want to open it instead of having it start automatically every single time. And that'll save some system resources. These are the users that are logged in right now, and only I'm logged in right now. But you know how you can create more than one user and have more than one profile, and sometimes you can switch users, stuff like that. You might have more than one user logged in at a time, and this is where you can see all your users. You can see what they're doing, their CPU usage, memory, etc. So if you have a rogue user, you can spot them right here. Okay. These are the services that start with the system. So in a nutshell, that's pretty much it. That's the lab on Task Manager. Thank you guys very much. Bye-bye.